Go. Morning vlog! Woo! Oh, something happened. This is morning vlog, and it is actually not in the morning. Probably sundown. Oh, ooh, crap. Yeah, the car's down. Dude, we gotta get it. Not that way.
Oh, Sienna, stop it. Don't do that.
Let me zoom on in. See her? Oh, she's like laying. There's the car. We got it out. So, oh! God. It just gets old picking it up. I got one. My battery died. So I'm filming now. That is awesome. This is really fun. I mean, look at this. So there's miles and miles of dirt. And you're like standing right in the middle of it. You're like way over there. Okay, it's like pretty far. Uh-oh. Something happened. Ugh. It's all muddy. Oh, and here's Sienna. Caked in the dirt. See her over there? Right here. Sienna, you want to say something to Good Mythical? Yeah, never mind. Not even Good Mythical Morning. Here's my car. Dead. Whoa! Geese. The geese.
Oh, I flipped over.
Dang. I'm gonna go get it. As you see, I'm running. Hear that? Ugh. This is gross. Sienna,
What?
I'm YouTubing. What do you want to say?
There's a lot of blood. I can't believe there's lots of blood. But these are huge hills. I can't believe. I couldn't get on that one.
Well, I got film over here, okay?
Okay.
I'll be back. 1 second! Don't go! I want to film this all. Where are you?
Ready?
This is hard. Woo. You ready? Go up one of these dirt hills. You ready? You ready? Ready, Sienna? Okay, you hold this. You hold this. Sienna, come here. and you're gonna go doo, 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 and follow me. Okay? Sienna, get off. Get out.
I like going on this stuff.
Watch this. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Oh! Oh, Sienna, we just took a shower. Sienna, come on. Hold the camera and film. You ready? Just stand right here. And go. And follow me. Okay, put your hand in here. Go like that. Wait, ready. And don't press the buttons on the top. Don't press the buttons on the top. Don't press any of them. Hold it. Hold it. Here, hold it with your other hand. And here. Yeah, like that. Like that. Good. Yep. 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 And hold it. Oh, no, no, no. Don't press the buttons on the top. Just press this button. Right here. No. Okay, you ready? Now film me. You can see all the camera. Don't put your fingers in it. You can see right there. And if you're getting me, don't know. You ready? If you see a finger in the way, you see a finger in the way. You see a finger?
I can only see my face. I can see a finger.
Get it out. Get your finger off. Get me. You see me?
Yeah.
You ready? Set. Did you get that off? Ah, you got your finger in the way. Here's Dad over here. Now, you're gonna get a mental shot of this. You're gonna get my face when I'm doing that. Ready? Ready, Sierra? Okay, you ready? This is my eyesight. Okay, Sierra, move out. This is my eyesight when I'm doing that. Ready? This is stressful. Ready, set, go! Oh crap! Okay, pick it up. Pick it up. Choked. Pretty cool, huh? Woo, woo, woo! Oh!
Okay?
Got mud in my eye. Okay. Really? Really? Really, butthole?
Hey.
Okay, get out. Get out of that dirt. My eyesight again. What? Oh God! Oh God! Look at that.
Flip it over.
Yeah, flip it over. My eyesight again.
Sorry.
Oh, not over.
Okay. Sorry. Keep going, okay?
You're good. Well, that's it for, yeah, that's it. And